This video, we're going to show you how these fuel lines came out. So give us a thumbs up on the way in. Let's figure this out. Click on the link up in the top right corner if you want to learn how to take the front tanks out. So now you got the fuel tank out of the way so you can get into those fuel lines that we're replacing. And kind of see how they're tucked in under the left side of the frame. They're held in with brackets like here and here, here, and here. We want to try to pound those out like that. They are coming loose. This here is a bracket for the axle breather. We continue. Oh, you popped one out already, didn't you? Here's where the fuel filter is. It seems to me like the fuel line comes back here and it splits off, and you can see a bracket here where Levi's taking that off, and it from here back is another section of lines, fuel lines. So as we try to remove these so we can paint behind it, and you got the brackets off, and then we'll need to use that handy dandy tool, right, to get in there?
Yeah. It looks like for this one, it's over here, and for this one, it's...
This job isn't very fun, is it? But we're gonna plug along, and we gotta push through that way. Let's get back to it. Not coming off.
Looks like you've gotten it off a little bit. There you go.
Did it come loose?
Yeah.
Oh, it's because the fuel lines need to be pushed back. That's why. Watch your eyes, because there's probably some fuel. Okay, now we got a bucket. We'll let this drain in. There we go. Then we go on the other one. So you draining the lines over there too. Push that on the other fuel line. Okay.
Ready for it?
Yeah. You pulling that because I got this in to release it. Just wiggle it back and forth.
Is it working?
I think it's coming. We end up having to pull on the front end of this hose, and we got it off, so now we'll drain the fuel line out. And then take this little handy tool off. Okay, we got both ends off now. Can you pull it out? That whole assembly out?
It's loose.
With everything? And with the air compressor starting up. Here, let me come up.
I need to undo this brake line.
Oh, the top part.
Yeah.
The brake line, okay. Yeah, that should come out there pretty easy. Let me come up. Yeah, because this is the brake line up there. It goes down. Undo that. Yeah, got it out like that. And then we got this one up front here. Pop that one out. Pop that one out the same way. And it slipped up on top of the bracket, right? Yep. And see if this comes right up out of there.
Oh, wait, no. We have a breather tube that goes up here.
Oh, the breather tube up here. Does it
and then
end?
It cuts over there.
Oh, and it comes down over here on this side. Not sure where that goes. But maybe we'll just unhook it right there. Pull it off like that. Yep, you almost got it. There we go. Now it should be able to pull right up out of there. That whole assembly should pull up out of there. Here, take it, maybe turn it like this. As you pull it up out of here. Yep, turn it, and it comes out up over top that, over there.
It's catching right here.
Just twist them and turn them, and they'll work their way out. There we go. There we go. I think they're catching up here and down and under here. Yep, there you go. You gotta push down. Yep, one down. There you go. There they come.
And there they stop.
And there they're stuck. There you go, Levi! Now that the fuel lines are out, we'll get this frame painted up. If you want to see that video, click up in the right hand corner. But now we're gonna put, now the frame's been resurfaced and painted and undercoated. Now it's time to put the lines back in. How easy will it be? So we got the fuel lines pushed back in place, and you can see the bend in here goes around that shock mount. This hose goes on here, and you're putting the other hose on the fuel filter, right? And this don't go on here, Levi, so well because of it's cold out. What can help is putting a little bit of Vaseline on that, on the hoses, and it slips on a little bit easier. As you saw, they went in easier than they come out. So now let's move on to the next stage of this project. That's putting in the front tank. So give this video a thumbs up on the way out, and we will see you next time.